Hello guys, welcome to the world. The world map. In this video, we will be looking at Southeast Asia and exploring ways to learn its political map. First of all, the geographical location of Southeast Asia on the world map. There it is, towards the bottom right corner of your map on the screen.
Let us have a closer look now and get down to unraveling the mysteries of the Southeast Asian map.
This is the map of Southeast Asia. I will give you a few moments here to have a look. As you can see that more than 1/3 seems to be Indonesia, that is marked in yellow. There aren't too many other countries. I guess it shouldn't be too difficult to learn. So, who will help us crack the code? There's no Robert Langdon here. The answer may be the species. So, let us have a look at the species. There they are, some weird looking characters. First of all, the thylosaur. Then we have the Indon species. The Indon species are basically for Indonesia, and we have divided it into a few illustrations so that you can remember some of the islands within Indonesia. Then we have the Phillip lice, and finally the Timor bug.
Let's get down to business now and start learning our Southeast Asian map through our species. We begin with the thylosaur. There it is. And firstly, let us bring in the torso of the thylosaur. And we can learn the countries here through the name of the species, that is the thylosaur. For Thailand, Thai, and Laos for Laos. Now let us bring in the head. There comes the head along with this weird looking creature. It's a male broon according to our illustration, and you will know why it is called so just now. There it is. Male, likes to sing, eats male broons. Male will help you remember Malaysia, and it says that it likes to sing. So we have Singapore right where the mouth is, because we use the mouth to sing, and it eats male broons. That is, male is again giving you the island of Malaysia, and the small pattern on the back of male broon is Brunei. What do we have next? A camera. One would imagine that one of those wildlife channels would be interested in filming the species, and hence they have put a camera on its back. And it's serving one more purpose. It is helping us learn Cambodia. C-A-M, Cambodia. And now we will quickly fly in the wings. So we have vitamin-fed right wing, which will give us Vietnam, and burnt mannish left wing. Burnt mannish manly left wing will be giving you Myanmar, which is also called Burma. And finally the foot of the thylosaur. And we can remember the country on the foot of the thylosaur, through those two lines which are bangles. So it says that it has bangles on foot, which is for Bangladesh. So this was our thylosaur. And now let's move ahead to the Indon species, which is Indonesia. Also eats Indon species. Let's bring in the Indon species. There, the first one with 2 teeth. It is a sun java snake. Then there's the boring chicken. Then a cell snake. And then there's a New Guinea. So let us go ahead and see the actual islands. There are the islands. And we are just emphasizing the species. This is Indonesia, Sumatra, and Java. That is sun java snake. You are getting Borneo from boring chicken. Then Celebes from cell snakes, and New Guinea from New Guinea. These are the major islands of Indonesia, and we have missed a lot of small islands. Just covering the major islands as of now. Now let's move ahead and see the other species. No, these are the same species. Let's see the other species. Fears Philip flies and Tim leech. That is the thylosaur. It eats Indon species and fears Philip's flies and Tim leech. There we have Philip flies. Here's Philip flies and Tim leech. Now what are we getting? Those are the actual islands. Now we are just emphasizing the Philip flies and Tim leech because Philippines from Philip flies and East Timor from Tim leech. Now we move back to the main map of Southeast Asia. And just to emphasize on the association, we kind of try to run the thing again. And there finally the actual map of Southeast Asia. I'll give you a moment here to have a look again. Thank you.